guys, maggata ako ng gulay ngayon guys. Ayan, ito ay yung gata natin guys. Yung pangsahog natin guys, ito yung bisugo na tuyo. Ayan, yung gulay natin guys. So, kalabasa, sitaw, sigarilyas, and talong guys. Tapos ay pechay tayo guys. Ayan, pechay natin guys. Ito yung lamas natin guys. Ayan, bawang, sibuyas, green chili. Ayan, magic sarap and pork cubes guys. Ayan, abangan pagluto niya guys. So guys, ito yung giluto ko na gulay guys na ligatan guys. Ayan, bisugo yan guys. Ayan, tuyo. Ayan, sarap yan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. So, kain na tayo guys. Ayan, wow guys, ito yung niluto ko na gulay guys. Ayan, ligata na gulay with bisugo ng tuyo. Ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Sarap guys. Ayan, gata gulay. May kalabasa yun guys. Ayan. Ito yung bisugo na tuyo guys. Ayan. Habis guys. Ito mo guys. Oh, lapot na lapot yan. Ay. Kain tayo guys. Shout out sa lahat ng followers ko guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.